Session 22. And we're starting something brand new, algebra. A letter like X isn't a mystery, it's just a number that hasn't been pinned down yet. A B means multiply. A plus B means add. Two letters sitting side by side and two letters joined by a plus sign look almost identical, but mean completely different things. By the end of today, you'll read algebraic notation correctly, identify the parts of an expression, and translate words into algebra. A letter in algebra stands for a number that's unknown or that can vary. Everything you already know about numbers still applies once a value is chosen. Letters written together, or a number directly before a letter, both mean multiply. Algebra never writes out a times or divide sign. Algebraic notation is the shorthand behind every formula you'll ever use. Converting a temperature or working out speed from distance and time both rely on a formula written in letters. A phone plan's monthly cost, written as a formula, lets you work out the bill for any amount of usage at all. Even a simple area formula, length times width, is algebra, just with letters standing in for whichever measurements you're given. Why does this matter? Because two of the most common algebra mistakes both come from misreading notation. AB means A times B, never A plus B. Letters written together are always multiplied. And 2a and a squared are completely different. 2a means A plus A, while A squared means A times A. Translate 5 more than a number x into algebra. A number x stays as x. 5 more than means adding 5 to it, giving x plus 5. Similarly, double a number n becomes 2n, multiplying by 2 with no times sign needed. Identify the parts of the expression 3a plus 5 minus 2b. This expression has three terms, 3a, 5, and negative 2b. Each one keeps its own sign attached. 3 and negative 2 are coefficients, since they multiply a letter. 5 is a constant term, since it has no letter at all. Here's a genuine trap. What's the difference between 4x squared and 4x all squared? 4x squared means 4 times x times x. The small 2 only applies to the x, not the 4. 4x, in brackets, squared means the whole quantity, 4x is squared. 4x times 4x, which is 16x squared, a completely different value. Complete example. Write 3 less than twice a number n as an expression. Word order matters here. Twice a number n is 2n. 3 less than. That means subtracting 3 from it, not the other way around. Putting it together, 2n minus 3, not 3 minus 2n, which would say something completely different. A b always means A times b, never A plus b. Letters written together are always multiplied. 2a and a squared are different. 2a is doubling, a squared is squaring. Mixing these up is one of the most common algebra errors. A term with no visible coefficient, like x, has an invisible coefficient of 1. X means 1x. Practice question 1. What does the expression 4y mean? Option A is 4 times y. Option B is 4 plus y. Option C is y times y times y times y. Option D is y divided by 4. Pause and remember what a number directly before a letter means. Option A is correct. 4 times y. A number written directly before a letter means multiply. 4y is 4 times y. Practice question 2. Which expression represents double a number x, then add 6? Option A is 2x plus 6. Option B is x plus 6. Option C is 2 times the quantity x plus 6. Option D is 6x plus 2. Pause and translate double a number x first. Option A is correct, 2x plus 6. Double a number x is 2x, then add 6 means plus 6, giving 2x plus 6. Practice question 3. In the expression 7a minus 3, what's the constant term? Option A is negative 3. Option B is 7. Option C is 7a. Option D is a. Pause and find the term with no letter attached. Option A is correct, -3. A constant term has no letter attached to it. Here that's -3. Let's wrap up. A letter in algebra stands for an unknown or varying number, and every number rule you already know still applies. Letters together or a number before a letter both mean multiply. A small raised number means repeated multiplication. And an expression is built from terms, each carrying its own coefficient and sign. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at bridge2exam.com.